I'm Kalima Young, a lecturer in the Department of Electronic Media and Film. Welcome to the podcast for our fall film series, Drones and Droids, Cyborg Sex. This series will run for 6 weeks beginning September 10th and ending October 15th, Monday evenings at 7:30 p.m. in the Van Bocklin Auditorium. It's free and open to the public. Spanning several genres, Drones and Droids, Cyborg Sex explores the role of science and technology in creating and shaping power across race, gender, sex, and sexuality. Special guests will be invited to participate in in-depth and provocative discussions. Screenings will be followed by Q&A. Is your social media presence the real you? What if that Instagram photo of you with duck lips and a Nickelback t-shirt followed you into the afterlife? Is that the person you would fall in love with? I kinda hope not. On October 8th, sit down with us to watch the award-winning episode of Black Mirror, Be Right Back, to discuss. Young couple Martha and Ash move into a remote cottage. Ash is killed the very next day. At his funeral, Martha's friend, Sarah, tells her about a new service that lets people stay in touch with the deceased. Your social media profile may feel like the authentic you, but it is curated. This episode will help you unpack the consequences of creating your best self online. Is that really who you want to be? And would you spend the rest of your life with that version of you? We will be screening this episode October 8th in Van Bocklin in room 204 at 7:30 p.m. Join us.